In a world that never stops watching, sometimes the most powerful move is to simply step away. Disappearing isn't about giving up, it's about building yourself in silence, away from the noise. Let's dive into why vanishing for a while can be your greatest strategy and, more importantly, how to execute it like a pro. Let's talk about how to do this correctly. I'll break this down for you into 3 main parts: how to disappear, how to act in the shadows, and how to return. If you make any mistakes, especially with the last one, you'll regret it. Let's get it straight now. How can we disappear properly? First, the art of disappearing. When you disappear, you create space to grow, adapt, and redefine yourself. It's not just a physical retreat, but a mental one, too. The transformation that happens in the shadows is deeply personal, yet the results can be monumental. Here's how to disappear the right way. Silence your voice. Stop oversharing. Fewer as people know about your plans and struggles, the more freedom you have to focus without judgment or interference. Be selective about whom you confide in. Only share with someone who genuinely supports your growth. Practice self-control. Catch thoughts before they turn into words. Being mysterious allows you to operate with intentionality. Prioritize your opinion. Shift your mindset from seeking external validation to internal satisfaction. Ask yourself, would I be proud of me? Build a mental persona you admire and strive to meet its expectations. This detachment from external opinions empowers you. Guard your vision. Keep your ambitions close to your chest. Sharing too early dilutes your energy and invites unnecessary critique. Seek advice sparingly and purposefully. Only reveal what's necessary to trusted mentors or experts. Conceal your progress. Progress is your secret weapon. Don't flaunt it prematurely. Let it fuel further growth. Resist the urge to seek recognition during the process. The results will speak for themselves when the time is right. Endure in solitude. Embrace the challenges that come with transformation. Pain and setbacks are inevitable, but they're also the foundation of your growth. Find strength in facing your struggles alone. Use every tear and triumph to propel yourself forward. Second, building in the shadows. Disappearing isn't just about stepping away. It's about committing to the grind. Here's what to focus on while you're in the shadows. Define your targets. Be crystal clear about what you want to achieve. Whether it's mastering a skill, building a business, or transforming your physique, specificity is key. Write it down. Visualize it daily, but keep it private. Commit fully. Align your daily life with your goals. From the moment you wake up to when you sleep, every action should move you closer to success. Break down big goals into manageable steps and track your progress. Consistency is the secret ingredient. Reprogram your mind. Learn to love the grind. Shift your mindset to find joy in the process of self-improvement. Embrace the quiet. Over time, you'll discover that operating in the shadows brings unmatched clarity and focus. Third, reemerging. When your transformation is complete, you'll have the option to step back into the spotlight. But here's the twist. You may no longer crave it. The peace and strength you found in the shadows might just become your new home. Transformation isn't a destination, it's a continuous journey. By disappearing, you unlock the freedom to become the person you've always wanted to be. When you're ready to return, the world won't recognize the old you, but more importantly, you won't either.